Hi guys, welcome back to the wedding school. Now surprise, I'm expecting my second baby, which is so incredibly exciting, but also a little bit scary when it comes to business side of things. Myself, like many other women out there who run their own business, taking maternity leave is just really not an option. So it's so incredibly important to try to find ways to blend your work and life into one, so you can still run a successful business but also have time, of course, for your family. That's why we dedicated a whole chapter to this in my Life of a Wedding Planner ebook, and today I want to share with you some of those tips that I will definitely be taking on board again this time round. So number one is finding a Sadie, and when I mean that, I mean Sadie the cleaning lady. So, you know, one of the things I was told in the lead up to my first one is, you know, find a cleaning lady, find a cleaning man that will just help you, because often, you know, cleaning becomes a bit of a focus and a sore point when it comes to, you know, yourself and your partner. So definitely find someone that you can rely on, and also sort of outsource those household tasks that you don't like. For me, I don't like folding. I don't like folding clothes, so that's something that I will be making sure that they can assist me with. Number two is finding a nanny or a babysitter, someone that you can really trust, but also that is not maybe part of your family or your friends circle, someone that you can rely on, because you know you always get last minute meetings or appointments that you need to do, so it's important to find someone that you do trust very early on when the baby's quite small, to, you know, just to help you, and also to help you manage your workload. So that brings me number three. So I found out last time with a newborn, they don't sleep as much as you think they're going to sleep during the day. So it was important for me to rely on my nanny or my babysitter, just, you know, for a couple of hours a day, where I had that, you know, that dedicated time to check all my emails, to make phone calls if I needed to. So that's where where that extra assistance really came in handy for me. I didn't put my little boy into daycare until he was 1.5. So I really relied on those babysitters to come in, and I would just work like crazy in those small periods of time throughout the week. Okay, number four is having someone within your company that can really assist you in those early days. So even things like checking emails for you, writing emails. I know I had to dictate some emails to my staff when my little baby was very young, because I simply just couldn't get to the computer, and just, you know, being that sort of that person that's keeping everything together, and someone that you can really rely on, especially in those early months. And lastly, number five is, you know, carving out some time for yourself. I know it's going to be incredibly hard, but even 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Find something that really fills your cup. For me, I love swimming, I love walking, and also Pilates. So that's something I hope to continue to do when I have my baby. So for more tips to learn about my morning routine, my favorite business applications that I love to use, and much more, feel free to jump on our shop and take a look at our Life of a Wedding Planner ebook.